Hello friend, welcome to Kids Learning World. Draw the walls under the roof to make the house shape. Draw a big triangle roof for the doghouse. Draw a big rounded door in the middle of the house. Draw a food bowl in front of the house. Draw a small bone above the door. Draw fluffy dog food inside the bowl. Draw the puppy's body. Let's draw the puppy's head beside. Add 2 floppy ears. Draw 4 little legs and 1 paw raised. Draw 2 happy eyes, a cute nose, and a smiling mouth. Hey kids, wait for the surprise at the end. Red color. Pink color. Purple crayon. Orange color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Purple color. Light blue. Brown color. Gray color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Dark green color.
Had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Mustard color.
Here and up, there, here up, there up, everywhere up. Old MacDonald had a
Brown crayon.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere up. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Your adorable puppy, colorful dog house, and food bowl is ready. Thanks for watching this video. watching this video.
And on his farm he had some ducks.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, friends.
Whistle, here